need this one right here, 86.
Actually got a nice little palm tree here. There's our bikes. Go check out. We're right next to the bathhouse, which I guess is upstairs. Very nice and clean. They just cleaned the bath, toiletry on one side, showers, private. Very nice and clean. I didn't realize on the back side of this bathhouse are 4 or 5 private bathrooms with their own shower and toilet. Okay, so we're set up. I always like to take a picture of the inside. These screens are pretty neat. They're magnetic and they just come apart and then they go right back together again. So they're pretty cool. So this is the front end. The TV's not hooked up yet, but I'll hook it up. This is the couch. I showed you a picture from the Everglades trip with the couch already made into the bed. This is still closed. We didn't open this up yet. So, all right, so I'm actually filming Rick. He's putting his drone up. This is our campground below. Instead of narrating, I'm just going to have Rick play his guitar. Look, he's going right to him. Come here, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. I was down on the beach and out of the corner of my eye, I saw this thing. I thought it was a dog, and here it was a deer. It came right up to me. They're very, very friendly. And that's one thing I forgot. You can't bring dogs to this campground because of these deer. So this sign talks about how they're an endangered species and everything, and you're not supposed to feed them. I did. Don't tell anybody. But it was on my bucket list. I had to do it. It's a one-time thing. Forgive me. Actually felt like an instant connection, like we made friends, which was great. And we're both on the East Coast, so maybe we'll meet up and go camping. So Chris, this is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you for giving us a tour. So this is your first trip, so any words of wisdom or anything to say to these cargo campers?
You know, it's a huge word of thanks, actually, because everybody that contributes to this community and to this group really does a great job. They're not doing a disservice because everybody has something to share through their experience, through their shared experience.
If you want to see the full video of Chris's conversion, and I know you do, and believe me, it is worth the watch. Check out his video. I already uploaded that. Here's a short clip of Scott and Karen's conversion. It's a very simple conversion, but here's the thing. Scott still uses this for work, and he also hauls his motorcycle and snowmobile in this, and still it's adequate for their camping. So good job.
Yeah, but this is nothing fancy,
But it's practical for what you guys need, and then for putting the bike in it.
yeah.
Actually, this must be more than adequate for camping, because you've been all over, I see, from the backs of this trailer. That's great. Okay, I know this is not a conversion, but this was so cool I had to film it. So we came back from the Keys, and I see this motorcycle across from us, and I'm like, is that a little pop-up? And I've been around motorcycles a lot in my life, and I've never seen a pop-up like this, so I had to film it. It is way cool. Check it out. I also have a separate video up of this with more footage. That is amazing. Have you been on YouTube yet?
I have not.
All right, so
Well, yeah, I have not.
you're going to be now.
So the company that sells them, they have a couple of YouTubes out there on how to set them up,
Okay.
and he actually times himself. So that was my comment earlier about don't time me. 'Cause I'm not
I think you did great. This teardrop is amazing. It got so many looks from people walking by. We were right across from this couple, and everyone was amazed at it. And what I find fascinating is this teardrop is 10 years old. It's in such good condition. But if you want to see more of it, we have another video separately that will show more detail of this beautiful build. If you go to Florida and go to the Keys, you got to go to Key West. There is nothing else like Key West. Well, nothing that I've ever seen like it. It's beautiful. It's fun. It's a little crazy, but it's a great place. So be sure to drive the extra miles. It's well worth it. As I'm editing this, I see my typo in the text, but I just thought, I just had to leave it. Maybe it was a Freudian slip. One of the things that I really loved, that I thought gave it so much character, is these chickens just running all around. And I'm an animal lover, so I really love that. But this is Key West. Sunsets are amazing at Key West. There's probably nowhere like Key West sunsets, because that's a big party there. You got to check it out. And of course, you have to take a stroll down Duval Street and check out the sights. Hi, puppy. Don't jump. It's morning. The moon is still up when I look this way, and the other way is a beautiful sunrise. So we're getting ready to head out. Rick is putting the kayaks on the camper. So this isn't our site. We had met a wonderful guy named Chris, and he has a cargo conversion, which I have a whole other channel, a whole other video to. And we left our kayaks here because look, Chris, we even borrowed your ladder. So Chris, he's putting your ladder back. Okay, we're on the way back to Jersey. It's raining. We're near Jacksonville. A little issue with the car. the old car that we call Dora the Explorer. This is where we end up. Rick, you ready for a new car?
I'm getting closer.
Please, people, help me talk Rick into buying a newer vehicle, because we would have saved time. He doesn't like to spend the money on new cars, and he can fix a lot of them. So he's pretty good with that stuff, but I would like a newer car. But actually, Dora did pretty good. How many miles she got on her?
155,000 now.
155,000. What year is this?
Right.
Right, we're in Jacksonville.